Hey friends, it's Buck here, and this is the Superion. Hey, what's up everybody? So here is the Transformers Superion. This is not the regular Superion of Studio Series. This is all 3D printed of the upgrade kit for the Superion. So here it is. Let me give you a 360 view of it. So here's the front. There's the side. And there's the back of it. And there's the other side. And the front again. And as you can see, this is all 3D printed, and it's been purchased from the AliExpress, as you can see. And this is Fireflight, and the bottom is Air Raid, Slingshot, and this is Skydive. As you can see, this is Slingshot right here, and this is Skydive right here. This is Air Raid, and this is Firefight, and the middle is Silverbolt right there. And this is all 3D printed by the guy in the AliExpress. Pretty decent price of it, as you can see. And also the gun as well. It's also 3D printed, but you have to use the original of the Superior gun, and this is the top part is connected to the gun, which is 3D printed. That's how it's supposed to look like. And the hands comes with the 3D printed as well. So yeah, this is all 3D printed. Really nice. Let me back it up a little bit so you can see. And there it is. And here you have the original Silverbolt. And here it is, Fireflight. Here it is with, what is the name again? Air Raid. This is Skydive. And here it is with Slingshot. And technically you don't need these aerial bots anymore. You don't need these guys anymore, and we have the 3D printed all the body parts of it. And there you go. And once you purchase this package, here's the package supposed to look like inside. So we have the slingshot of the body parts, and it opens up something like this, and it's going to attach with the hip part right there. And you get the part of the leg on the cover, and the gun part is supposed to be attached to it. And you have some of these aerial bots, the support with the Superion. There's some more of it. And here's the part of the gun too that connects to the gun. There's the other aerial bots about the leg. And you also get a Superion of the head that connects to this part right there. So yeah, so it go like this. And here's the other part of it. This is slingshot. And Fireflight, the top and the bottom piece of it. And this is slingshots of the bottom piece. This is the wing. It's fell out, but you can attach it. So these are attachable. Don't need to worry about it. And also includes the replacement of the hand that does open and close, as you can see. And also includes the leg parts, the legs attached to it. These are the leg parts. And includes a better Superion of the foot, 3D printed. Nice looking it. There you go. These are the Superion 3D printed. And there you have it. This is the Superion 3D printed of all the body parts pieces put them together. The gun took me 30 minutes or an hour to figure out. It's kind of hard to figure out what's going on. So you might want to figure out that part too. And comment down below if you want one. I might be giving away or shipping to you guys. So whoever can comment down the most, I'll pick a winner. Whoever wants one, is because they eventually AliExpress sent me 2 more, but I'm just sending one to you guys. So comment down below if you want one, or I'll be shipping to you guys. And that'll be it. And there you have it, folks. This is the Transformers Studio Series of 3D printed of Superion. And this is it for me today. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and comments. And I'll see you in the next video.